Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi, I am Spriha from Spriha Soft Day. So today I am here again with another video. Today I will discuss 5 informal phrases with repeated words. Okay. When we use one word, it means a thing, but when we repeat it, it creates a new phrase and the meaning of them are fully different from the one before they were used. So I'm here with 5 repeated phrases. My first phrase is well. Well mainly means to express mild surprise, but when we use the one word well, it means good. Like my health is well, I am well, how are you? So only one well means good. But when we use the phrase well, it means to express mild surprise. Let me give you an example. Like one of my friend have came to my house and we had a fight. Then she told like, I'll never come to your house, and when there is a party in my house, then she came, and then I might say like, well, look who's here. You guys might feel that I'm guilty, but I'm really not. I'm just doing it for a little bit fun for this video. Okay, my second phrase is 50-50. So mainly 50 is a number, 50-50 are numbers. 50-50 means anything of having 50% chance. Like one of my friend had an accident and the doctor might say that she has 50-50 chance of survival. That means like she might be fine or maybe she not. So 50-50 means anything of having 50% chance, like equal. And then my third phrase is so. It means moderate. Let me give you an example to make it understandable to you guys. So one of my friend maybe asked me like, how is the food of this restaurant? Then I might say that the food is not that much great or not that like bad. The food is so. That so means like not great or like not bad, like a little bit of like downwards. It's like medium, average. We tell the word average that we have average. So mainly means to moderate or average. Okay, my fourth phrase is AA. I'm not joking, it's really a phrase. AA means an old-fashioned way of saying yes. So when an old time captains of ships might say their people like, do this, and they might say like, AA sir, AA captain. That means like saying yes captain. So that's like it. And the fifth phrase is chop. Only chop means to cut fruits, to cut vegetables. But when we use the word chop, it doesn't mean to cut fastly. It means to hurry up, like saying someone to hurry up. We might be going to the movie, and then I might say one of my friends like, chop, the movie will be end, or chop, we might be late for the movie. That was for my today's video. Give my video a like if you like it, and comment down below to show your views to us, and subscribe to my channel for new videos like this one, and please click on the notification bell to be notified that my video is on your phone. Bye bye.